up everyone, it's Summer, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on a productive online school day in my life. It is currently 9 a.m. so it's a little bit late of a start to the day, but that is alright. I do have a bunch of fun stuff planned and productive things to do, so let's just get started with the day. So my lovely breakfast today, some cheesy scrambled eggs and 2 pieces of toast. I'm not sure if that is too much toast or not. I'm gonna eat this and then get ready. I finished eating breakfast, so now it is time to get ready. I look like a mess right now, so let's try to fix that. I changed the bun. I still don't like it, but that's okay. I'll put on some moisturizer. My school is doing a hybrid system, which means I have school every other day in person, and then we also rotate Fridays. So today is a Friday, and I definitely want to go take pictures later. So hopefully I can get to that, and hopefully my hair gets better by then. Getting sidetracked, but on the days when I don't have class in person, I still have class online. In the mornings I do any homework, and in the afternoon I have Zoom class. It's super fun. That happens around 1 o'clock, so I have a little while until then, but I'm going to continue getting ready. I got dressed. I was going to show you guys my outfit in my stand-up mirror, but I moved it so that the reflection's not in the Zoom call, but I can just show you here instead. I'm wearing this green striped crop top. It has like cute little ruffles here, and then some gray sweatpants. There's nothing too fancy about this. I am just doing a Zoom call, so. And if you care about where my clothes are from, my top is from American Eagle and my sweatpants are from Roots. The next step is to put on a little bit of makeup. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. That looks scary. Now a little bit of mascara. There we go. Not too much of a difference, but that's okay. I need to turn the light on. Oh, beautiful. And then the last step is chapstick. Beautiful. I honestly don't put blush and highlight on every day, but I did today because why not, you know? Now the last step of me getting ready is to do my hair because it looks kind of whack right now. I don't think I want to like straighten it all because it is pretty straight. I'm just going to go brush out my hair and let you guys know what I end up doing with it. I think I fixed it. I just straightened the 2 pieces here and a couple back here. Like I said, just a Zoom call. I don't really care that much. My Zoom call is happening very, very soon because it is 12:30, and yeah, a little time has passed since I talked to you guys, but I'm just going to get ready for that, meaning getting my laptop ready and stuff, and I think I'm gonna write my to-do list after class because I don't have time now. Today's to-do list is pretty long. I'm not gonna go over everything because I don't want to bore you guys. I've got my laptop here. Might need to plug it in though. I did have it charging, but you know, Zoom calls drain the battery a lot. Comment down below if you guys are doing in-person or online classes or a mix of both, and whatever you are doing, let me know how it's going. I also got myself a water. See, look how bad the quality looks right now. So I turned my light on. It's a little bit better. So my Zoom class is over and I actually continued working on my little project a little bit longer than the class was going on for. I'm going to eat some lunch. Probably should have eaten it earlier, but I'm gonna go eat some lunch now. In a little bit, I think I'm gonna go for a walk because, I don't know, I just love the fall scenery. It looks pretty outside, so I'm still gonna go for a walk and I might take some Instagram pictures while I'm at it. But in the meantime, let's go eat some food. So we are back from the walk, and on the walk I found a really pretty place to take Instagram pictures, which you would have seen in a previous clip. So I did take some pictures, which is great. That checks something off my to-do list. Now I'm going to do some laundry. I actually also have some clothes in a hamper that I haven't put away yet, so I'm gonna get to that as well. So as you can see, I am writing out my October goals, and this might seem weird since it is almost December and people are talking about Christmas already, but since I took a little break from YouTube, this video was actually pre-filmed and I never got the chance to edit and upload it until now, so here we are. I actually kept it in this video because I thought me writing out the goals looked kind of aesthetic. I don't know. I am going to write new goals for December, so yeah. Also, if you've made it this far, be sure to comment down below literally anything because I love chatting with you all and I respond to all of my comments. There's actually something that I forgot to put on my to-do list, and it is to respond to emails, DMs, and comments, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing now. I'm just going to do that on my laptop because it's easier. I'm going to type out a caption for my Instagram post that's supposed to go up tomorrow. I might even do a caption for 2 Instagram posts just to get them ready in advance, but we'll see. Now, I still have to also come up with a concept as to what I'm going to write as the caption, but we'll figure that out along the way as well. So a little bit of time has passed since I last updated you guys. It is a lot later now, and I ate some dinner, watched a little bit of Netflix, and just chilled, I guess, for the rest of the night. I did save a draft of my Instagram post, so that is another check off of the to-do list. I've gotten ready for bed, and I think now I'm just going to do a little bit of reading before I go to sleep. But I think I'm going to end the vlog off here. It was a nice little, slightly productive day in my life, slightly typical day in my life of online school. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And be sure to comment down below some video ideas that you want to see me do in the future, and I might do them. Anyway, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye everybody!